Yes, it's just a word. We don't think that...
It even gives you a little beep at the beginning of this camera. Okay, we're talking to Kamel Zeroual.
Yeah, Kamel.
Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay, and you were over at in San Francisco for TechCrunch 50?
Yeah.
Stribe.com, correct? So the idea is that you're embedding a community inside an existing site rather than having, you know, actually creating yet another social network.
Exactly. So the point is that instead of creating a social network next to your website, we provide you a social network that you can embed inside your website. So that means if you're a blog, an e-commerce, or casual gaming, we let you, every members and every visitors to go to who used to go to your website, to talk with each other. So we provide all interaction tools and to let them stay more long time on the website, so to increase their intention and get you more traffic.
What kinds of things do you do to create that more time on the website, more of the traction, more of the stickiness, if you like?
Exactly. So the point is to increase the stickiness. So we noticed that Facebook, LinkedIn, and all the social networks, they get more stickiness and more traffic. Why? Just because they connect people with each other, and we love to spend time to talk with, to chat, to share pictures, to share comments, and so on.
And also, I think get surprised. I think that's one thing that we don't think about in some of these areas.
And it's human. So we agree to spend more time with someone like us and with a human. So the point is that we noticed as well that people who love a website, it could be, I don't know, crazy about shoes, but it makes sense if you want to talk with people like you and they go to the same website, and to let that all these people very available to be visible. That's the point.
Mm-hmm. So give me an example of how it would work on an individual blog. So not necessarily a big blog network, right, with hundreds of writers, but
yeah. So it's worth it because even if you have 200 visitors per day, so 200 people used to go every day in your website just to read you, okay? So, but these people, they're valuable, okay? And they probably have something to share with each other, okay? So we provide them as well all interaction tools, so they can ask questions with each other, okay? They can comment pages if it's not available in the website. They can chat in private, okay? You can meet a beautiful woman or a guy in your website, and you make a love story with an online relationship, and it's very, it's like life when you.
So it's almost like an embedded Ning plus Discuss plus Twitter embedded inside your blog.
And you can customize everything. So it means it's your own social network. That means if your website is green or is red, and so the social network must be green or red, okay? So you can customize every component, even in white label if you want.
Is it free?
So there is different version of Stripe. It's up to your goals and what you want to do with that. So the point is that for blogs there is a free version, and if you want to embed a big community, if you want to use Stripe in white label, if you want to use the premium features, you have a premium subscription to pay.
And how much is that?
It depends on your traffic. So it's not the same thing to Stripe Nike or the website of Nike.
Based on traffic, interesting.
Yeah, it's based on traffic, it's based on features. You want to embed in Stripe the social network. That means, I don't know, there is perhaps basic...
Features make sense to me. Pricing it based on traffic, it's an interesting model.
Yeah, because, I mean, even hosting is working in this model. It's not the same thing.
But you're not hosting anything.
We provide a SaaS service, so it's a software as a service. It means technically the community is in our service. So
I see.
So if you have big,
so you are hosting it.
Exactly, that's the point. So that's why the business model is in line.
But it is embedded within the blog or the website that's hosted elsewhere.
Sorry, I didn't get.
Well, you said it's embedded in the blog or the website, which could be hosted somewhere else. Like I have things hosted on Parnic and HostMonster and GoDaddy and a couple of other different places.
So the point is just to add a social network. It's not something to embed really. It's you add your own social network in your website, and then technically we get your community. And when the visitor go to your website, you make the mashup, and you say, okay, that's the community of the website, and that's all the members, and you can interact without thinking about downloading something or having a technical request. It's completely plug and play for the end users, and it makes sense because you want to share with people who love the
It's
same
almost
thing
like a
that you.
fan page, right? It's a Facebook fan page, but that's connected directly to your blog or your website.
Exactly. So
Yeah, I mean, you realize that I'm asking all these questions without having seen a demo. I haven't seen a demo yet.
you should see the.
I'm going to see a demo, absolutely. You're going to be at Le Web, right? 'Cause
Exactly,
you're
for the competition setup.
one of 16, I understand, one of 16, and this was a stringent process that you went through, just like you did with TechCrunch 50.
Yeah, so basically having, so we met TechCrunch 50 and we had a hype around Stribe, so it was very exciting. And we decided to say, okay, people wanted to have Facebook Connect inside Stribe and they want as well the white label. So we say, okay, let's provide them these features. And what is the
And you have Facebook Connect now, right?
Exactly.
I would imagine,
So
right?
Tomorrow we're going to present these new features, so Facebook Connect and the white label, and so it's something very interesting because
The white label expensive?
of course, but the point is that if you're a
How
company,
expensive?
if you're a company and you don't care about spending more dollars for paying for sure to let show that it's your own social network. So even if you get off Stripe and you have all the features, it's worth it, definitely.
So could you do something customized for travelinggeeks.com?
I would love it. Yeah,
That wouldn't that be
definitely.
great?
Let's do it.
Sounds like a plan. All right, so people can go to stribe.com. You're also at Stribe on Twitter. We're going to see you this week at Le Web, and we are standing here in the Paris Development Agency, correct? That houses something like 100, all Paris-based incubators, 100?
Yeah.
Is that correct? All from Paris, across 5 different locations in Paris, and we are at one of them. So
Exactly.
thanks for joining us, and we'll see you
Thank you.
tomorrow at Le Web.
Thank you.